mean, it's a quiet machine. It works good.
Yeah.
And we used it for some of our bigger. We're doing a lot of these weldable port fittings for Blue Origin. And some of them were pretty big diameters, and this is what we did them with. I had these for a long time, but it was an older. It was a quick turn 10 with a T1 or T2 controller, which is a little different than this. But I also had to do all the maintenance on it, repair on it. I changed the spindle drive on it, probably rebuild it